Hey everyone, what's up? I hope you're all fine. My name is Manuela and today I'm recording this video very quickly, but I just want to talk to you about an amazing product for you that can truly help you if you are someone that has been struggling with a lot of pain. You know, if you're feeling tense all the time, you're having muscle pain, you don't even want to leave your bed to do your daily basic routines because you're just feeling a lot of pains, and they are pretty much related to nerve pain. Okay, so I want to introduce you to Nervogen Pro. This is the supplement that can truly help you to end all of those pains, for you to live a better life, you know, for you to have quality life and really be able to do all of the chores that you have for work and everything, because you really deserve that. Okay, and Nervogen Pro really can help you, and it really is one of the best supplements out there. Okay, so if you want to get to know more about Nervogen Pro, then just keep watching this video, guys, because I'm going to talk to you about its formula, about its benefits, about how to use it, everything that is really important for you to know before you actually buy Nervogen Pro and actually start your treatment with it. Okay, so just keep watching this video until the end for you to be aware of everything. I also have some really important alerts that I want to share with you. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. I want to talk to you about the purchase of Nervogen Pro. Okay, because you gotta make the purchase of the supplement only from their official website. Okay, guys, right now on the internet, unfortunately, there are many people who sell fake products on fake websites, and those fake formulas, they could be harming your health, or you're just like putting your money on waste on something that won't even arrive to your house or won't work. Okay, but the original Nervogen Pro really can be the solution to you, so you gotta order it only from the official website. And I'm gonna help you, and I'll leave the link to the Nervogen Pro website right in this video's description. Okay, so you just keep that in mind and make sure to make your purchase only from there, guys, because I told you that there you're going to make a safe and secure purchase of the original formula of the supplement. And the original formula, first of all, it is amazing. It has been doing wonders for many people's lives and healths, and it is 100% natural. That's another great thing about Nervogen Pro, because you really don't have to worry about chemicals or stimulants or side effects for you and for your health. Okay, Nervogen Pro really has only plant-based ingredients, vitamins, minerals, and all of those, they were researched and they were studied, and they are the best for nerve pain. Okay, they are mainly going to work on reducing, even ending your nerve pain at all, so you will feel a lot greater with yourself. You're not going to be dealing with nerve pain, you're not going to have headaches, you're not going to feel tense, you're going to be able to go for a walk, to get out of bed even, and do your basic daily tasks. You know, because if you are dealing with nerve pain, I'm pretty sure that you are not doing any of that right now, because you can't even imagine getting out of bed. You know, you don't feel like it because it is just a lot of pain. But Nervogen Pro really can get you rid of all of this. So I would suggest you to go to the official website right now to make the purchase with the best discounts. Right there, you're going to see that the 3-bottle option and the 6-bottle option come with amazing discounts for you. Ordering from the official website, you are backed by a money-back guarantee, so that's also amazing for you. And I really think you should just give it a shot and keep up with this treatment, because it truly can change your health and your life, and you deserve that. Okay, so go to their official website right now and make the purchase, guys. But I guess that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. Have a wonderful week. Bye.